Can you juggle so many things at once, including this? Honestly, I'm just very optimized and I have a lot of staff members helping me. Like, if it wasn't for my team, I wouldn't be able to do a hell of a lot of things that I'm able to do. And like, even now, obviously I haven't done a YouTube live stream for a while. Like, I haven't done one for a while. And my business is always ticking over at the end of the day. Like, the Shopify stores, they're all automated, like 100%. I don't really do anything for them. Little bit of overview, little bit of checking the profit calculations, that kind of thing. In terms of the Etsy stores, I'm more focusing on kind of the overarching stuff. Like, more focusing on employing people and double checking the managers are doing stuff correct and training them to think like me. And then I'm just like networking a lot, trying to get new investors, trying to build my network with these high level people that are worth good 8 figures. Yeah. Super quick interruption. After you finish watching this video right here, go check out the video that's the top link in the description, where I detail exactly how I made over £200,000 from Etsy dropshipping in just 3 months. Go check it out, but watch this video first.